Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download apps on Mac. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So there are two different main ways of how you can go and download apps on your Mac. The first way is going to be by using the App Store on your Mac, and the second way is by downloading apps from companies' websites, and just websites in general. So firstly, I'll show you how to download apps on your Mac using the App Store. So all you need to do is go and open up the App Store. By default, it should be in your dock on your Mac. If you can't go and see it, then all you need to do is go and tap on the Spotlight search or the magnification glass and go and type in App Store. And here it is. You can then go and tap on it and it's going to go and start loading. There's quite a few different sections as you can see on the left-hand side. Discover, Arcade, Create. These are all just different categories, so go and browse through these and see if you can find an app you'd like to go and use. There are so many different apps you can go and check out. If there's an app you already want, you can also go and use the search feature on the left-hand side as well. And it is important to note that there's going to be free and paid apps in the App Store. And some are going to have additional in-app purchases, which basically means the app is primarily free. But there are some things you can go and buy in app, instead of the app to go and improve your experience. So in this case, I want to go and get this app, for example. So I'm going to go and tap on it, and then I'm going to go and tap on Get, and then I need to go and press Install. And now start to circle. You may need to go and enter your Apple ID, depending if it's a free or paid app as well. And then a few seconds later, the download should start, and it's just finished installing everything. And then we can go and press open and use this app. And the second way you can go and download apps on your Mac is slightly different, because for this one, you can't really just go and browse apps, because what you will need to do is go to a company's website. So I'm going to go and open up Safari and show you this as an example. For example, if I wanted to go and get Google Chrome on my computer, I will go and search Google Chrome like so and go and search for that. And then we'd go to the Google website and we can go and download the browser from there. So essentially you have to go directly to websites, go and download them. And we can go and download it the same as the things like Steam, which is like a gaming marketplace and sort of host. So go and search for Steam. We can then go and download it and install it. Every developer's website will be slightly different. But for example, with Steam, just install Steam. So I then press Install Steam again. And as you can see, I need to go and download the installer. I'd press Allow, and then it's going to go and start the download in the top of my browser and in the bottom of my computer as well. And you then need to go and follow the install process. So then go and double tap on this, for example, and you'll have to go and drag the application into your Applications folder. Then you'll need to go and open up your Applications folder or your Launchpad and go and find where Steam is. So then you're going to tap on it and then go and start launching it, and I can go and finish the installation process. You also go and get pop-ups like this when you go and download apps from the internet, because it could be more like a third-party app than just being on the App Store. Then it's going to go and update it and install it, but every app you download is going to be slightly different. So that's basically how you can download apps on Mac. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.